Welcome back. This lesson we're going to write proportion and then solve it. 5 is to 7, 5 is 5, is to, the key word is to. That's a bar. 7 s equal k is to is a fraction bar, 49. Okay? Alright, now let's look at what happened. How did a 7 become a 49? I mean, 7 has to times a number become 49, right? 7 times 7. So if at the denominator place it's times 7, numerator should also times 7. That's a consistent relationship there. What is 5 times 7? That is 35. K is 35. Earlier we say we're going to use cross multiplication. So let's try cross multiplication. Cross multiplication said if by the rule 7 times k will always equals 5 times 49. I'm not going to multiply them then divide them. I'm going to simplify it first. 7 times k is 5. 49 is 7 times 7. Okay? Then I can start to simplify, divide by 7 each side. What do we say? We say k is 5 times 7. K is 35. You see? Two different methods. Alright, let's erase this. We're going to continue work on the next one. The next one says z is to, remember is to is your fraction bar. So we have z is to 20 as 9 is to 5. Okay? Alright, let's practice our cross multiplication. By the rule, it says z times 5, which is 5z, will be equal to, change the color, 20 times 9. I'm going to write 20 as 4 times 5, then times 9. Why? Because I can simplify. Now, z is 4 times 9. Z is 36. Alright? Okay. Let's do next one. Next one, 4 to 12. 4 to 12 is as W is to 3. I paused because I noticed that 4 to 12 is not simplified. 4 to 12 is what? Is 1 to 3. Yes, yes? Okay. So 3, 3. What is W? W is 1. Let's write down. This time we do not even need to use the cross multiplication. Once we finish simplify, we can see clearly W is 1. Alright, our last practice for this session is x is to 21 as 40 is to 28. You can simplify here. If you don't want to simplify, just go ahead and use cross multiplication. And you know 21 times 40 equals, let's give a different color, x times 28. I'm going to write down x times 28. Then I come back here, I look at it, I say, oh, look, 28 is 4 times 7, so write down this. 21 is 3 times 7. 40 is 4 times 10. Why do we do this? Because we can simplify. 4, 4, gone. 7, 7, gone. What does it mean when we say gone? It means I divided by 4 each side. So this 4 is gone. This 4 is gone. 4 divided by 4 is 1. I divided by 7 each side. And 7 is gone. Okay? We can erase this. Oh, now, what do you say? Did you say x is 30 is right here? That is our today practice, how to write proportion and solve it for the given variable. Happy learning.